Hello, my name is Noel Morales. For this presentation, I am acting as an AI cybersecurity consultant for a manufacturing company. My goal was to evaluate an AI-powered cybersecurity solution to determine if the company should adopt it. I looked at the cybersecurity risks facing the company, the performance of the AI models, ethical concerns, AI security risks, and the safeguards that should be put in place. Executive summary. My organization is a manufacturing company, and one of its biggest cybersecurity concerns is ransomware and unauthorized network access. An attack could affect production systems, industrial control systems, and important company information. After comparing the two AI models, logistic regression performed better overall based on the F1 score. My recommendation is for the company to adopt the AI solution, but only with strong safeguards and human oversight. Manufacturing cybersecurity risk. The biggest cybersecurity risk for this manufacturing company is operational disruption caused by ransomware or unauthorized access. Manufacturing companies depend heavily on production systems and industrial control systems to keep operations running. If ransomware shuts down these systems, production could stop and create serious financial and operational problems. Intellectual property is also an important asset that needs to be protected. This is why stronger threat detection is important for the organization. Model performance. In this project, I compared logistic regression and random forest. Logistic regression performed the best with an accuracy of 87.2%, precision of about 90.6%, recall of about 69%, and an F1 score of about 78.4%. Random forest had an F1 score of 72% for a manufacturing company. I believe the F1 score is especially important because the organization needs a balance between detecting actual threats and avoiding unnecessary disruptions. Based on these results, logistic regression would be my preferred model. Slide 5, ethics and governance. Even though AI can improve cybersecurity, there are ethical and governance concerns that need to be considered. Privacy is important because the system may monitor employee activity and collect sensitive information. Bias is another concern because the AI could incorrectly flag certain employees more often than others. Transparency, accountability, and human oversight are also important. The company should collect only the information it needs, monitor false positives, explain why alerts are generated, and require a human analyst to review important decisions. AI security risks. The AI system can also become a target for attackers. One concern is an adversarial attack where an attacker changes their behavior to avoid being detected by the AI. Data poisoning is another risk because attackers could manipulate and weaken the model. Model drift can also happen when cyber threats change over time and the AI becomes less accurate. To reduce these risks, the company should use red team testing because it protects its training data. Regularly monitor the model and update or retrain it when necessary. Recommended safeguards. I recommend several safeguards before the system is fully adopted. One of the most important is human review. AI should help cybersecurity professionals identify and prioritize suspicious activity, but it should not make every important decision by itself. Analysts should review serious alerts before major actions are taken. The company should also use privacy controls. Regularly test the system for bias, monitor model performance, and make sure there is a clear process for escalating serious security threats. My conclusion and next step. Based on the evidence from this project, I recommend that the manufacturing company adopt the AI cybersecurity solution with safeguards. The technology can help identify suspicious activity faster and give cybersecurity professionals another tool for protecting production systems and company information. However, AI is not perfect, and false positives, privacy concerns, model drift, and attacks against the AI system are still possible. I would start with a controlled implementation, monitor the results, and continue improving the system. Most importantly, AI should support cybersecurity professionals instead of replacing human judgment. These are the references that supported my research and recommendations. They provide additional information about artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, machine learning, AI security, and responsible use of these technologies. Overall, the research supports using AI as an additional cybersecurity tool while maintaining strong governance, security controls, and human oversight. In closing, AI can make cybersecurity stronger, but the technology should not be trusted by itself. For a manufacturing company, the best approach is to combine AI threat detection with experienced cybersecurity professionals. This gives the organization the speed of artificial intelligence while keeping human judgment, accountability, and decision making involved. Thank you for listening to my presentation.